So let's say you have a website and you want to make sure, and I assume you have a website, that's why you click on this video, and you want to make sure your visitor are the right age to enter to visit your website, like over 18 or 20 years old. So Hostinger doesn't have an automatic way to do this, but there's actually a ways to add it yourself. So you can use an online tool like Age Checker. You're gonna have to go to this website, and then what you're gonna have to do with this website, you can create a pop-up age verification using this website, and this will give you a special code, right? So based on what you type here, age 21, just gonna click on preview and generate code, preview, and now I can just copy this code. And now what I'm gonna have to do is just to select my website from here. And now the next step is to go to, this is just a sample website, it's a testing website. Go to more settings, from here select integrations please, and now here paste this code right over here. But here there's things that you have to remember. Now there's actually quite two codes that are provided here on, I'll show you right now. Here on Hostinger, I'll actually leave the link in the description of this video. This first link, if you use the code number 1, will not repeatedly show the banner for eligible users. But if you scroll down to always show the banner, I'm gonna copy this code and I'll go here and paste the code right over here and click on save changes. Okay, and saved. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care. And if you have more questions, leave your questions down below.